Now, Tinder wants to show you all the people that have matched you, and you are wondering, is Tinder Gold worth it? What's up everybody, my name is Koen from Hovalo, and in today's video we are going to discuss Tinder Gold. Make sure you stay till the end because we snuck in a method for you to save 30% on your subscription for Tinder Gold or all other services from Tinder, so let's just jump into it. Feature number one is the fact that you can see who liked you. So when you subscribe to Tinder Gold, you see a whole list of people that have liked you. This is definitely one of the most fun features that Tinder has at this moment. Besides having a Tinder boost where you just get a lot of matches in a short period of time. This feature is not necessarily always useful. Think about that. So when this feature is not useful is when you actually are in a place that does not have a lot of people. So when you live in a village and a village only have 5,000 people in it and only like 500 people or let's say 300 people are on Tinder, within a week you'll probably run through all the people that are in your village. So you need to have a substantial amount of people actually in the location that you are. So this would be more useful if you are in a city with, let's say, starting from 100,000 people up to like 5 million, doesn't matter. So having enough volume of people that are actually in your region. Other feature that Tinder Gold has that Tinder Plus does not have is Tinder's top picks. So Tinder has this feature where every day you got 6 to 10 profiles that have a very high score. What does that mean? It means like how many people have swiped you left or right and how many times are you logged in and all those kind of things. Like there are a lot of factors that go into like what your score is. So all those people that you have in your Tinder top picks, those are in general high performing profiles, and they're also often very attractive people because that's what you're looking for. So this is actually a very useful feature because you don't have to swipe over and over and over and over to find attractive people. Now what you want to do is when you have Tinder Gold is you want to combine that with your super likes. So Tinder will give you 5 super likes just like you have with Tinder Plus. So you want to combine those super likes with your Tinder topic. So every day you log in, you look at the 10 profiles and you see, okay, like these are all good, so you get 5 super likes, and the other ones maybe you swipe away like 1, 2 or 3, and then the other ones you give normal likes to. So that's a very efficient way to actually use Tinder. You'll also get access to all the normal features that Tinder Plus gives you. So you get all the features from Tinder Plus, then you get a couple features from Tinder Gold, but you don't get access to the features that are included in Tinder Platinum. We will discuss Tinder Platinum in a little bit, so you can have a good comparison, like if Tinder Gold is actually worth it. Next up are all the features that Tinder Plus have. I want you to get a good idea of like what are the extra features that you will be getting instead of having a free account. So you will get the super likes, you will get 5 of them. Tinder Boost, normally you would have to pay for it, you still have to pay for it, but you will get 1 free every month. Make sure you actually use it because they don't go on to the next month. Like this is a big deal because my profile, for example, I bought Tinder Boost in bulk once and I still have 15 sitting in my account, but like just because I'm not using them right now, they're not going on to the next month. Another feature that Tinder Plus has is the fact that you can put your location in a different spot. Now, this is very useful in combination with Tinder Gold that you don't have with Tinder Plus. So what you can do is, let's say in 2 months you are going on a trip. Well, let's say you decide, okay, Paris, but I also want to meet some interesting people in Paris, right? So what you do is you put your Tinder on Paris, which you can also do with Tinder Plus. But with Tinder Gold, you can actually have those matches available and you can see them and they get stacked on. So what you can do then is put it on Paris for a while, go through all the people that have swiped you, see if there's interesting people, yes or no. And let's say, okay, there's a lot of interesting people, you want to go to Paris in 3 months, so you can keep those matches and you don't have to swipe them, and you can swipe them, let's say 2 weeks before your trip. Now you have those matches stacked and in your inventory, what you don't have when you're using Tinder Plus. Okay, next up, ads. You don't have ads. Tinder ads are obnoxious, irritating, and they kill your soul. you're not bothered by those anymore, so that's a very good thing. Another thing is a rewind function. So normally you would swipe on a person that you're probably not want to meet, so rewind it, left swipe and on to the next one, or right swipe if you on accidentally swipe the hottie left. So that's another feature that you're getting with Tinder Plus that you're also getting with Tinder. Unlimited swipes. Some people are very swipe hungry. I have clients who like to swipe tons and tons and tons. Like if you are a person that just likes to keep swiping, like that's another feature that you are having. So another function is limited visibility. With limited visibility, you can hide your age and your location. Ideal when you're trying to swipe in a different location, that's what you want to be using. Are you getting Tinder Gold for free? No, you are not. There is no way as of right now that you can get Tinder Gold for free. So how much is it? Like how much is it going to cost? That is very much depending on your age and your location. So not everyone is paying the same price. The same goes for Tinder Plus and the same goes for Tinder Platinum. So what you can expect to be paying is between I think $8 and $20 in that range. When you're above 30, you're going to be paying more than when you are below 30. Like age is one of the cutoff points. How are you going to save money? I told you guys there would be a quick tip on how to save 30% of your money, and how you're going to do that is when you buy your subscriptions for all the Tinder services, what you want to be doing is don't do it on your phone. You don't want to do it on your phone. What you want to do is go to tinder.com and buy it there, and then you will actually save up to 30% of your subscription. Forget about buying it on your phone. Don't do that. So is Tinder Gold worth it? It depends a lot on your situation right now. When you look at the value for what you're getting, Tinder Plus has the best value for money. But if you are not short on cash and if you're making a decent amount of money, Tinder Gold and Tinder Platinum are definitely two services that are enjoyable and fun to have. What is the difference between Tinder Gold and Tinder Platinum? When you have Tinder Platinum, you get two things. One, when you send a super like, you can actually add a little text blur on top of that. Another thing that you get with Tinder Platinum is your like should be on the top of the chart. So let's say there's 100 guys who have liked one girl. Technically speaking, with Tinder Platinum, your like should be on top. So when she starts swiping again, she swipes you as first. That's what Tinder claims that it does. Am I 100% convinced that that actually is what it does? I'm not so sure, because I've had profiles that from clients that had Tinder Platinum, and then I would swipe and I wouldn't get an amazing amount of matches, and that is what you would be expecting to get if that was really the case. The thing though is like Tinder is very much wanting to get your money. They are a very money hungry company. That's why they have so many things, and I'm not surprised if they come out with a new feature in, let's say, a year, let's say 2 years. So that's the current state of Tinder. They are like a lot of dating companies, interested in money, which is fine. Like they are providing a service. So if you have money laying around, Tinder Gold, Tinder Platinum, definitely good choices. If you're short on cash, if you are a student, for example, just stay with Tinder Plus. Tinder Plus does everything that you need it to do. Tinder Boosts are also very interesting to use and can definitely help out a lot, definitely in prime time. Use it in general in the weekends and then between 6 and 9, but read our post about it to learn more about this fact. So this was it for our video about Tinder Gold. I hope you enjoyed it. Please help us out a little bit and subscribe if you like the video and you want to see more videos about having an awesome dating life and having a lot of nice people around you. Hit the like, please leave a comment if you have any questions or any other things that you want to know about me or about Hovalo. Hovalo, by the way, is a service that does Tinder and other dating platforms for you. So we take over the Tinder profiles and the dating profiles of our clients who are in general entrepreneurs and high-level professionals, so they don't have to spend the time. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Ciao. What's up, everybody? Now Tinder Gold. Now Tinder wants to show you all the matches, all the people that are. Now Tinder wants to put it on Paris. I'm gonna redo that one. Blah blah. Okay, next up is. Okay, next up. Okay, next up. Okay, next up. Okay, next up.